And yeah, this is the first video, by the way, ever since I opened this channel. I'm feeling humbled. It is the first time my team has lost, and somehow I just want to say, Guti, even though it is not like a great thing, even though I wouldn't wish for it, even though I was like, nah, we need to at least to get to 10 match 10 matches without like conceding any goals, continuing to be clean sheet FC and stuff, nan. But like the reality is that at the end of the day, we're going to be scored. And yeah, man, the last time I actually felt like this, it was when we were playing against SuperSport United when we got whooped 4-1. And the moment but I'm about quarter three, I was like, ish, I hope I hope it is not one of those. I hope it is not that feeling again. I hope it won't just cause a chaos. And I just want to say to the Kosi faithful and the Kosi lovers, I know this is the game of emotions, but somehow I will say we needed this more than everything else to just set us back to a reality. I'm not saying good now it is a thing you're good still have a cause it's so loser wara but it is a thing you're good. We just need to go to like be realistic with like expectations to end. I I don't wanna say Gucci maybe I will like the quality I'm just like good, like we're a better team at the end of the day today. Another way we'll have a corner, which I'm not gonna undermine, but I'll say congratulations to his Kokone because they outplayed available. Because it was the thing, the way they played, it was the thing. But like aviator football,